my name is Arvind Kumar, working at Codeplexes Private Limited as Junior SAP Basis Administrator. I am here to going to explain about SAP system landscapes and SAP directories. Coming up to the SAP systems, mainly it consists of three layers: database layer, application layer, and finally presentation layer. So combinedly it is called one SAP system. It may be anything: ECC system or HCM system or PI system, anything. Compulsory they must be three layers. In company environment there will be lots of systems. There will be lots of systems like PI, HCM, Solution Manager, and ECC. So we need to arrange them, and we need to integrate them, and we need to transfer the files, messages between one system to another systems. So what happened here is, so totally all systems are segregated within the landscape as three systems: one development systems, and quality systems, and production systems. So in what actually happened here is, in development systems, development is done. If any development of program or any development of clients or any changes in clients or any changes in is totally developed in this development systems, and finally it is moved to the quality systems. In quality systems, testing will be done. Total testing will be done. What developed in the back development systems. So finally, if any error occurs, so it sends back to the development system. So it will be rectified again in development system and move to the quality systems. For okay and fine testing, and finally it is moved to the production systems. So in production systems, finally it is moved to the production system, because the production systems are the main systems. It is very highly available systems, because all business transactions and all business related movements are done in this production systems. So if anything wrong goes, the production systems will be not work, which is highly not recommended to the business environment. So to ensure all perfectly working in the production systems, we need to first test the things in development system, in quality systems, and move to the production systems. And requirement of company may be a three system landscapes. We are seeing here three systems. One is development, quality, and production. If company may not be required, maybe go with two system landscape, then that time we will remove this quality server and we will go with the development and production server. And my company will go with 5 system landscape also. So another 2 systems can be added as a sandbox and pre-production systems. And we can move some changes with these layers. One is transport layer and one is SAP layer. And finally it called as deliver rule. What happened here is, all SAP custom objects and all SAP systems will be moved from this layer, and finally it is delivered to this layer. So it is starting from root or slash, and next it comes to the USR, and in USR SAP and SAP SID. In that root it goes to SAP MNT, and in that SAP SID it consists of three directories called global, profile, and exe, which is symbolic linked from SAP SID sys folder. this folder and this will be symbolically linked, and and this is central instance and dialog instance and central service instance. So what happened here is, if we start the SAP systems, in SCPE runs the program and executes what are the executable files or particular instance will be run, and it will be replicated on each systems. So in global directory consists of all log files and logs of the starting systems, and in profile directory it consists of system profiles and start profiles and install profiles of the SAP system. In the exe it consists of a kernel source, so it is directly is linked through the run, and it is replicated in every directory in each instances. So this system is built before NetWeaver 7.0, both Unicode and non-Unicode systems. Coming up to the next, ABAP plus Java systems. We as we said, Java systems, and it is also separate systems. If one particular Java systems consists of only same profile, same as we seen here, same it will be consist of, but here Java services will be appear in the Java systems, and ABAP plus Java. So both as by the name suggested, both it will be both file systems will be existed in this file systems. This is existed before the NetWeaver 7.0 and lower. So same it will consist of both Java Central Services and ABAP Central Services. So both systems will be there in one file system in that system. So here ABAP is non-Unicode, so that we have another extra file of folder of UC, which is redirected to this SAP MIT with symbolically. So it can be seen that non-Unicode systems can be synced with this symbolic link. And coming up to NetWeaver 7.1 and later to 7.4. So we can see some files, some directories are missing in this ex file. Direct one code page is there. So if kernel is updated here, it will resemble here. So it is directly linked with all the exes in the dialog services, and so if any changes in the kernel, it can be directly implemented to all the instances. And one extra folder is added here under the SAP SID ERS. This is the system. If the system is highly availability system, if the system is highly availability in the option we have selected at the installation time, then this folder will be available in the systems. And finally, ABAP plus Java systems. So combinedly we have ABAP instance, dialog instance, and Java central service instance, ABAP central service instance. If it is high availability directory. So we can say that the above directories consist of some logs in the global folder, and profile folders consist of instances, and exe folder consists of a kernel. So coming up to this folders also same. Thank you.